So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress website with these few simple steps. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a domain name and web hosting, install a free theme and free plugins, and how to edit your pages with free page builder without paying any additional fees. Make sure to stick to the end of this video because this video will help you set up your WordPress website with ease. So first things first, we need to get our domain name and hosting. So go for a domain name and hosting from this website. Then I'll choose this package. I like the business, which has a lot of website to host. Then I'll enter the domain I want. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Then I'll choose this free DNS and email domain. Then email forward and then click on continue again. Then you review your checkout. Then you create a new account here. I've already logged in. Then I'll click on I have read and agreed. Then click on checkout. I'll put a link in the description below to get a discount when you are registering with this domain name and hosting company. I'll click on checkout. I'll go for the card. Then I'll enter my card details in here. So after you've paid successfully, you're going to get an email confirmation with your login details in here. Then I'll enter your username and password. Then I'll click on login. So over here, you click on WordPress Manager by Subtractors here. Click on install again. So I'm going to install my WordPress. Then I'll select the HTTPS with. Then I'll remove this directory here, scroll down to my site name, then I'll enter my username and password. Then you can also enter your admin email. It can be your Gmail or your domain email. And I'll scroll down here and click on install. So this should take me some few seconds to get the installation done. So the installation has been done successfully. So to get to your WordPress login, click on the administrative URL here and it will take you directly to your username and password. Make sure that you also remember your username and password that you used. Don't forget to save your username and password. So WordPress website has been successfully installed. So with this, I will close this one here, dismiss. Then I'll remove all these ones here. I don't want to see them here. The next step is to change our permalinks. I'll go to settings. Then I'll click on permalinks. Then make sure to remove it from date to post name. Then click on save changes. It's very important for SEO. So changing it to post name will help in your search engine optimization. The next thing we need to do is to change our theme. Let's go to the home page here. This is the default home page WordPress gives us when we install WordPress. So we need to change the design of this website. So I'll go to appearance. So we have about 3 themes installed already. I'm going to install a new theme here. Click on add new theme. So depending on the website that you want to build, you have to make sure that you are choosing the correct theme. So over here, I'm going to choose Astra theme. Or you can search Astra here, the name of the theme that you want to. Then I'll click on install. Then I'll click on activate. So one additional thing we need to do is to make sure we install the starter template. I'll click on install starter template. So it's asking how do you want to build your website. We'll go for classic starter templates. We'll talk about AI website builder in another video. So let's go to build with templates. Then I'll choose Elementor for the page builder. So I'll click on Elementor. Then we can choose a template design that we need. Depending on the type of website that you want to build, you can always search through to find an appropriate template that you want to build. So let's say I want to build a simple business website. I'll choose this template here. Then I can have a view of how it will look like. That's cool for me. Then I can change the color palette for the template. Over here, I'll click on it. Then if you want to change the logo, you can select upload file here. Then select a logo. So I've uploaded my logo here. Click on select. Then you can change your fonts. I think I like Montserrat. I'll leave it. Then click on continue. So we have advanced options here. It's going to install some widgets and also some required plugins like Elementor Page Builder. I'll click on share non-sensitive data. Then click on submit, build my website. This is going to take some few seconds to build everything up depending on your internet speed. So your template has been installed successfully. You can go back to visit dashboard. So let's check out the homepage here. Click on visit sites. Then we can see we have our website installed successfully here. You can scroll down and see the template has been installed successfully with all the text and the images that we needed. So I'll close this and go to plugins here. So after installing the template, the theme brought up with some plugins in here. It's brought in Elementor and WP form and with the starter template. So I'll delete this ones here, and I'll also delete this Hello Dolly here. These are default plugins that comes with WordPress. Before we edit the website, I'm going to install a few plugins in here. I'll click on add new plugin, then I'll set for light speed. So you can see it has over 5 million active installations. So this plugin is going to help you speed your website faster. So I'll click on activate. So let's go to the pages that came with the templates. Let's go to our pages. So you can see we have some pages that came with the templates. We have the home page, the project, services, about, and contact us. So when we go to about us, you can see it has a different page in here with some default text and images in here. You can always edit all of them. So to edit these pages, you can do that on your home page here. Above here, you can see we have edit with Elementor. You can also do that from your pages. Click on edit with Elementor here. So on the home page, I'll click on edit with Elementor. If you don't see edit with Elementor, first you need to click on edit page here. Then you click on edit with Elementor. Click on leave page. So I'll click on continue here. So this is the Elementor page builder. You can edit everything that is on the home page. So I'll close the navigator here. So we can change this text to anything we want and also change the color of it. So when I click on this, you can see it has been highlighted. So when I select the text, I have the side editor here that I can change the text from. So you can see the text changed to this. So I can also change the color from blue here to white or any color I want. So I'll select the text and go to style, click on text color, select the different color. I can make it white. So you can see now it's changed to white. Then I can also change this button color to any button color I want and also edit the button text. So you can see I've been able to edit the button text. I can also delete this button if I don't want it here. I'll right click and click on delete. Then you can see that it has been deleted successfully. So this editor is very easy to use and you can do a whole lot of things with it. So if you want to change the image here, you can click on change image and select the image here and you can upload your own image. So I've uploaded my own image and I'll click on select. Then you can see that the image has been changed successfully. So all these things can be changed with just having time and editing whatever you want to change. You can even delete a whole section here, this whole section. When I click on this whole section and I click on delete, you can see the whole section was deleted successfully. If you make a mistake, all you need to do is to click on Ctrl Z to bring it back again. So after you are done with everything, all you need to do is to click on update. Make sure you click on update before you leave this page, or else everything that you've done will not be saved. So make sure that you click on save. So when you click on save, you can see that the button has been faded. Click on preview changes here. Then it will open the website directly for me here. So you can see we have everything that we changed here has been saved successfully here. You can scroll down, you can see the images that I did here. It's been saved successfully. All you need to do is to just get time for this and edit everything in here as you want. You can also start from scratch by building your own homepage and everything from scratch. If you want to learn how to build your website from scratch, then make sure to check the link in the description below or visit my channel page to see the full video on how to build a WordPress website from scratch. So this is how to build a WordPress website. If you want a full video on how to build a website from scratch, then make sure to check the link in the description below or my channel page for the full video. If you want me to create any other website, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the page for more videos like this.